We have to pray for a musician. I saw him inside the car, and I saw blood inside the car. I'm not the one that killed. His name is Big Zulu. I've been praying. I've been praying for him for extension, because this thing is supposed to happen March next month, March, April. I'm still praying. I'm the one praying for Sumizi now. Well, now this other man who is very soon. His name is Big.
Hello guys and welcome back to my YouTube channel. My name is Sello. Please don't forget to subscribe, comment, like, and also share this video. So you guys, a Nigerian pastor who is called Prophet David Uche has prophesied KZ and singer Big Zulu's death, you guys, either in March or April 2023. You guys, Uche revealed this and that video which I inserted at the beginning to his congregants, saying, and I quote you guys, his name is Big Zulu. I have been praying for him for an extension because this thing will happen in March next month, March or April, he said. As I keep praying, I was also praying for Sumizi, but now this other man who is extremely, his name is Big Zulu. Now, you guys, Big Zulu is very much alive and nothing has happened to him as March and we are through April. Do you think that the prophet, actually, Prophet David Uche, has been saying something that's true, or if he's lying? Now, please do engage with me down in the comment section below. Also, subscribe if you have not yet done so, because I will definitely see you on my next upload. Thank you so much for watching this video. Bye.